Alright, here is a quick tip on Emacs. Sometime what happened that some of the command in Emacs depend on the modes. Okay, for instance, to commenting a particular line in Emacs running on terminal mode, which is 99% of the case for me. I do run Emacs on terminal mode, and the same very command will work on graphical mode of Emacs without any trouble. So to get the best, do the same thing in both the mode while it's running on terminal mode or GUI mode. Either you assign the same command or different command. In my case, I assign two different commands to do commenting the line. I'm just taking a rudimentary example for your understanding, and just write a small ellipse struct, if else struct in ellipse. Pretty ordinary, damn simple. Okay, basically to show you how to dictate or give a clue to the Emacs daemon that which mode I am in, and take action on the basis of that. Okay, to give you some sort of sense what I have just said to you, let me go to my Emacs client. This is running on terminal as usual. So this is a line to be commented by the particular keystrokes. Okay, so if I come here, as Emacs has got a commenting by Control X and Control semicolon. I'm in terminal mode, right? So if I do Control X, Control semicolon, see, it doesn't work. It doesn't comment at the line. Okay, because I'm in terminal mode. Okay, so there is a way. As I mentioned, I wrote a small ellipse if else construct, which will sense that which mode I am in, and I assigned a different key. I'm in terminal mode, so all I have to do, I have to select it and just place meta semicolon. See, it commented out properly. I assign this key meta semicolon to be work commenting a particular line in terminal mode, right? While if I open Emacs client in GUI mode, on the right hand side, because you see this is the same line on I'm in GUI mode where my cursor is hovering, right? Now if I place Control X and Control semicolon, see, it works perfectly on GUI mode, but it didn't work in terminal mode, so I have to assign two different commands. Okay, so here in GUI mode, to comment a line, use Control X and Control semicolon, right? Likewise, it's getting replicated, and in terminal mode, to comment a line, use meta and semicolon and semicolon. In GUI mode, to comment a line, use Control X, Control semicolon. So two different commands I have to assign to do a same job, because while running on terminal, the GUI command not work, and while running on GUI mode the terminal command not supposed to work. There might be other way, but I couldn't explore it. Okay, so if I get rid of the GUI version of Emacs, and to show you that the code I have in my .emacs, this is a small Elisp snippet, basically if-else construct to make things happen. Display graphic P is a function which basically sends which mode the Emacs client is running, whether it's terminal mode or GUI mode. Okay, according on the basis of that, it will call up this particular function, keyboard functionality. Okay, you see I'm calling the same function command line with a different keystroke for GUI mode and terminal mode, because as I mentioned very beginning in the video that in terminal mode control X control semicolon doesn't work to comment the line, so I have to find a way to map different keys to do the same thing. Okay, in GUI mode it's working fine. So this is a little bit of if-else construct in Elisp to take a sideways. There must be a better way to achieve this kind of stuff, which I probably failing to get it or failed to get it. So if you have a clear-cut understanding of what I'm trying to impose here, you could let me know in the comment section, so I might have adapted or inducted in my .emacs without being complicated or more complicated than this simple construct. Okay, so before I leave you, let me show you display graphic P. So this is a function, and you can see it says return non-nil if display is a graphic display. Okay, and it's the doc string has got some explanation, and here is other reference to. Okay, and on the bottom here is the actual function which plays. Okay, this function is there basically just to detect which mode your Emacs client is running, whether it's terminal mode or GUI mode. So it basically takes a boolean value. Okay, so yes or no, as it says, return non-null if it is running on GUI version. If it is running on terminal version, it just return null. As simple as that. So I hope it will be useful. So basically I tap these two commands to do the same thing. If you have a better idea, again I'm preaching, let me know in the comment section without being too complicated. I don't want too much verbosity. If you have a little bit of better stuff, what the if-else construct I have shown to you, you could have tell me in the comment section. So if I like it, I might adapt it. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.